Welcome back again, dear students. The session was expired, so for today this is the last session, and after that there will be the namaz break after this session. And if the more students will be remaining, then I will take presentations from them at 4 p.m. today. But in you have to keep one thing in your mind that in that session of 4 p.m. Uh, not all students are allowed to join. Suppose if someone do not want to join, then that is allowed not to join. But those students who want to give their presentation, they have to join at any cost. That they can give their presentations and uh, be relaxed and free. It was Soha Majid, I guess. So we are ready. Yes, beta. After Soha, I will give chance to you, Sajan. There's your turn of this group because yes, beta. Soha, Soha, are you here? Raise your hand. Yes, Soha is here. Yes, beta. Unmute yourself, beta Soha. But beta, let me
Yes,
share
sir.
a screen. Let me share a screen for you. Okay, go ahead. Yes, beta, go ahead now.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So I was talking about wife of Barksdale. So it's a story of knight who rapes a young maiden and got punished for his crime. But the wife of King Arthur gives him a chance to to get free. So she tells him that if you go and get an answer for the question that I asked for, then you will be free. So the question was that what woman wants most, and if you can answer the questions, if you can answer the question, I will cancel your punishment. Then the knight goes to many people and asks them for the question, for the answer, but no, but he cannot able to find the right answer. But finally he comes across an old lady and tells him that I will give you the right answer, but in one condition. So the condition was that you will do whatever I say. The knight agrees, and she answered the question that woman wants most to control her husband. That's what women want most. So the knight goes back to the queen and answer her question. The queen satisfied with the answer, and she was happy, and she cancel his punishment. Then knight goes back to the old lady and tells her that as I promised you to, I will fulfill whatever you will ask for. Then the old lady asked him to marry her. Then the knight got horrified and thinks that how can I marry an old lady. Then the old lady gives him a choice that whether you want me to be a beautiful and unfaithful wife, or you want me to be a faithful and ugly. Then the knight thinks, and he decided that this is a difficult question, I will not answer it, you will choose. So the old lady said that that's what woman wants. And then she turned into beautiful girl and as faithful wife. That's all, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, that was a good presentation. So, see, beta, the first presenter was, I guess, Mukaddas. And Mukaddas, the first and important thing which I found in your all presentation that you everyone made this own PPT. It was a group work, beta. It was a group presentation, so you were not supposed to make your own PPT separately. No separate PPT were required. You could have made one PPT and put your slides together, okay? और जहाँ जिसकी 2 स्लाइड्स हैं, 3 स्लाइड्स हैं या 5 स्लाइड्स हैं, वो वहां तक प्रेजेंट करे, नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटर आके वहीं से स्टार्ट करे. सो सी, ग्रुप वर्क वर्क्स इन दैट वे. If you are making your PPT separately, that means the separate task was given to you. लेकिन separate task तो था नहीं, ये group work था. सी नेक्स्ट टाइम आप इस चीज
Yes,
का
sir.
ख्याल रखेंगे. ओके बेटा. एंड
Yes.
introduction in the Muqaddas PPT was missing. There was a lot of repetition and it was very brief. And she just used, I guess, 2 slides. And apart from that, Zainab was there. Not 2 slides, but it was brief. The PPT of Muqaddas, the presentation of Muqaddas was very brief. Then Zainab came, and Zainab made only 2 slides. The first for the introduction, and the second, which was containing each and everything in her presentation. And I think she gave presentation not more than 2 minutes. So you were supposed to speak for at least 5 to 6 minutes, but you couldn't manage your time. So it's a biggest negative impression on your presentation that you are not able to manage time. Even some students were exceeding. Some students were speaking nearly 10 to 12 minutes. And I just say them that speak less. उनको मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आप थोड़ा कम बोले, and you were even unable to speak for 5 minutes. So it's a negative thing, beta. Try to make your PPT, not PPT, but presentation in a way that at least you could speak for 5 minutes. उसके बाद उज़ैरा आई थी. उज़ैरा, you also made only 2 slides. The first slide was containing the introduction and the second slide was containing each and every information which was included in your presentation. So I felt that उज़ैरा, there were network issues with you. आपका जो internet connection था वो शायद network का कोई मसला था आपके यहाँ. So there was issue. I felt that's why I couldn't hear properly your presentation. But it was also brief. 3 से 3.5 मिनट के दौरान आपने इसको निपटा दिया. So don't do that. At least speak for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, beta. Then in this group, Soha Majid came, and if I rate this group, then Soha's presentation was outstanding in this group, because the way she started, her introduction was excellent, and the way she started was also quite good. And Soha did manage her time. At least she spoke for 6 to 7 minutes. It was a good thing. And she also included 2 stories as well. And she explained them in a very cohesive manner that even I understood that what actually the gist of the story is. So see, that she did a good presentation. So this was all about जो group. I hope कि next time जो आपके जो negative points हैं, जो mistakes हैं, उनके ऊपर आप काम करेंगे और उनको इम्प्रूव करेंगे, चाहे टीचर कोई भी हो. द रीजन टेलिंग यू अबाउट दीज पॉइंट्स कि आप किसी भी टीचर को दें ताकि आप अच्छे से अच्छा कर सकें. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिडक्ट मार्क्स. मैं आपके मार्क्स डिडक्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट आई एम गिविंग यू फीडबैक इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ. सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड बेटा. यस, और कौन था जो भी मैसेज कर रहे थे ग्रुप में? यस बेटा, विच ग्रुप इज रेडी? हाँ, साजन. यस बेटा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
सर,
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
सर पीपीटी.
यस, पीपीटी. नाम बताएं.
एंग्लो सेशन पीरियड सर.
Anglo is not a section, it is a section. Anglo section. There are so many
Yes,
students, they do not pronounce this word correctly. I don't know why, what is wrong with this word, but they say Anglo section and some kind of words, you see. इस तरह से आप words को use नहीं करें बेटा. Give me a minute, साजन.
yes sir.
Give me a minute, मैं आपकी PPT share करता हूँ. Just 1 minute दे दे मुझे. Let me find it for you. Okay. Presentation section B, second beta, your is Anglo-Saxon period. Yes, got it. This one I think your PPT. बेटा अपने नाम लिखे हुए हैं? हाँ.
Yes sir.
C presentation माइट ग्रुप C, यही है आपकी बेटा?
Yes, sir. PPT will नाम लिखा हुआ है बेनजीर भुट्टो शेर यूनिवर्सिटी.
अच्छा अच्छा, okay. Let me find it then. Okay. मिल गया. I'm going to share it now. Let me share. Can you see it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start now.
Start the name of Allah, who is most merciful and gracious. Spiritual teacher and my dear classmate, Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, I hope all of you fine. My name is Sajan, and today I am discuss about on Anglo-Saxon period. Celtics up to 55 BC, among before Celtics were in Britain. This is true and native because they had been living in Britain for long. The now as Britain, so the name Britain derived from them. Romans 55 BC to 407 AD, and Romans invited on Britain for occupation. Occupation had been invited by Julius Caesar in 55 BC. Roman came with Christianity. They used Latin language and literature. Romans in Britain, Picts were attacking in Britain, so Romans had made Hadrian's Wall, but Romans left Britain because due to attack of Visigoths on Romans in 407 AD. Romans had left, but Picts kept attacking on Britain. Celtics were become alone and they not fight against Picts. They were not able to define. Celtics invite Germanic troops for help and define and for fight against Picts. Scottish troop. Germanic troops, Angles, Saxons, and Jutes. Angles, Saxon, Jutes route taken across the North Sea by Germanic troop in 5th century. Angles fought to Germany and Saxon from to Saxony, Jutes from to Denmark. Angles and Saxon were powerful and strong troop. Jutes were not powerful and the not stay long time. Angles and Saxons spoke Old English much with Germanic language. Because Anglo-Saxons come from northern Germany, the name Angles land means England derived from Angles. Angles came from Germany in Britain. Germanic troops and Celtics start living together. These troops were fearless, brave, and adventurous. Anglo-Saxon kingdom, they decided to make kingdom. They divided Britain in 7 places. They had made like as Wessex, Essex, and Sussex. Among these 7 places, Wessex was powerful. And now I will invite my second group member, Nawaz Ali.
Okay, Nawaz, raise your hand, beta. Nawaz, you have to raise your hand. Okay. That I can unmute you. Yes, unmute yourself.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Am I audible?
Waalaikum assalam. Yes, beta, you are audible.
Okay, sir. Assalamualaikum to all of you guys.
Which
This is
slide,
me,
beta?
Nawaz.
Beta, which slide? This one?
Sir,
Characters?
correct. Sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Start.
Assalamualaikum, all of you guys. This is me, Nawaz Ali, and today I'm here to talk to you about characteristics of Anglo-Saxon period. So, here written as Anglo-Saxons were very brave. No doubt, Anglo-Saxons tribe were really brave, warrior, and so much powerful. They always used to be ready to save their name, their power, their territory, and their fame, mostly the fame and glory, because they love the glory. Absolutely, Anglo-Saxon had taken so much strong control on England with a lot of hardship. That's why they never leave something abnormal, that their area can be in danger, that their territory can be in danger. Secondly, here written as they never leave their enemy. They physically were too strong, tall, thick, and so powerful. That's why they never leave their enemy. They always used to kill them because they know that leaving their enemy can be the cause of their destruction. More importantly, they respect for women. They used respect for children and women, though they were powerful and warrior for the enemy. Whenever there happens any war, they defeat them, they fight with them. But here, for the women and children, they were really loved. And most importantly, here written as runes, their unity was on its peak. They were living in wood houses in features of communities. They were not living scatterly, but living in the form of unity. They had always unity in each other. The king of their side will be selected by the wise men of the tribe or community. They also used to celebrate a lot of celebration on different occasions, like winning battles, getting marriages, etc. And they used to live in harsh environments as the faced flood, thunderstorm, earthquake, and several other disasters. Runes were turned into alphabets. First of all, in the Anglo-Saxon literature, it was initial period. That's why there was not alphabet like today we have 26 letters of alphabets. So at the time, there was not alphabets. There was runes instead of alphabets. Slowly and gradually, it started change into alphabets. So lastly, as the subject matter of literary work. At the time, there was two genres of literature, prose and poetry. And subject matter of these prose and poetry was war, religion, and daily life activities. Whenever there happens war, they used to tell about that. They used to write about that. And they too write about religion like pagans and Christians. Firstly, there was religion named as pagan, in which people used to follow different gods, like god of sun and other such gods. And later on, slowly and gradually, Christianity took the place. And they also wrote about daily life activities, daily life extraordinary activities. This is all about the characteristics of this Anglo-Saxon literature. And now I'm inviting Mr. Nikash for literary work of Anglo-Saxon literature.
Well done, beta. Well done. Excellent presentation. Yes, Nikash, unmute yourself. Yes, Nikash.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone.
Welcome. Salam.
This is Nakash Kumar presenter. Today's my topic is Beowulf. Brief introduction. Beowulf is the earliest and the greatest epic and heroic poem in the Old English literature. It is one of the most important work of Old English literature. It consists of 3,182 alternative lines. It tells the story of Beowulf and his battle against the Grendel mothers and unnamed dragon. It begins with prologue that produces Skallid. Skallid is the king of sphere dance. When the dance were without a king, a ship came sailing into their harbor. Ship was filled with the tires and the midset of warlike things. Between these warlike things, there was a baby sleeping, whose name was Skallid. Skallid became a mighty warrior. He led the spear dance, and later on he died. After the death of he became king of spear dance. A medal called Heroit, which is known in the
From Hello. I think, do you hear me better? Let me know in comment box. Do you hear me? Yes, sir. Okay. I think Nikash has the network issue. So I think he's disconnected too. Now, who's next presenter, beta? Nawaz, unmute yourself.
Sir, Mr. Kash is there for Vikings.
Kasid Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes, beta, Kasid. Kasid, beta, unmute yourself.
Sir.
Walaikum assalam.
May I start, sir?
Yes, beta, you may start now.
Starting with the almighty name of Allah, who is the Khalik and Malik, most respectable teacher, Mr. Abdul Khalik, and my all classmates, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is about Vikings, so I'm going to telling you about the Vikings, what I have remembered. Vikings, also known as Scandinavian and Northmen, they came from Norway. They came from Norway, Denmark. They were explorer, traders, and warriors. Warriors. Its timing period was 8th to 11th century. They believe on Norse paganism. वो बुत परस्ती पर यकीन करते थे, बुत परस्ती करते थे. And वो एक नई सरजमीन की, they hungered for new lands. वो एक नई सरजमीन की तलाश में भी थे. तो काटागेट was the center of Vikings. काटागेट जो था उनका मेन सेंटर था. We can say it the capital of Vikings. हम उनको कह सकते हैं. Ragnar, hero of the Vikings, he was the first who came to west along with a bunch of people. In 793 attacked on a English land. ये पहला था जिसने इंग्लिश लैंड पर हमला किया था, इन्वेडेड किया था. एक बहुत क्राउड के साथ अटैक्ड एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ वेस्ट के हर एक कोने में इसने अटैक किया था. दे डिस्ट्रॉय द चर्च, उसने चर्चों को तबाह किया था, लोगों को मारा था. उन्होंने ऐसे लोगों के साथ मतलब कि जुल्म किया था. वाइकिंग्स इंसान नहीं थे, इंसान समझ के हैवान ही थे. उनसे 6 जो किंगडम थे वो डिफीट हो चुके थे. ओनली किंगडम ऑफ वेक्सेस, एक वेक्सेस ही था जिसने सरवाइव किया था. बाकी के जो 6 किंगडम थे डिफीटेड बाय देम. किंग अल्फ्रेड मैनेज्ड पीस अगेंस्ट द वाइकिंग्स about a generation until William Normandy defeated them in 1066 in the battle of Hastings. किंग विलियम था जिसने उनकी कमजोरियों को जाना था कि हाउ वी कैन डिफीटेड देम. किंग विलियम ने उनको 1066 में डिफीट किया था. और आफ्टर दैट वो जो वाइकिंग्स थे उनका नामो निशान मिट गया था, वो खत्म हो गए थे 1066 में. So that's all, sir. Thank you for listening, and thanks to all of you. Especially thanks and thankful to Mr. Abdul Khalik Saab who gave me a chance to define my presentation. So thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. Muhammad Awais, are you there, beta? Muhammad Awais, raise your hand. Is there Muhammad Awais present in the class? Yes. Awais, unmute yourself. Awais.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to say about Vikings? Because you had given your presentation on Viking as well. So the same presentation is given by the Kasid. So what do you want to say something?
Sir, it was good. It was not that deep. He could have made it a bit deep.
But do you agree with Mr. Kasid that he said that the Vikings were like cannibals and they were very much cruel people and they just invaded the English territory and they just killed so many innocent people and they just destroyed the churches. So he also used the word that wo hewan the. So how do you agree with that?
No, sir, they were not like hewan. They were killers. They were butchers. That was a time when everyone used to kill and butcher others for gold, for each and everything. But they were craftsmen. They were sailors. They were expeditors. They were good people. Like Kasid said, hewan. They were not hewan.
Okay. Okay, okay. Now let me give you a bit of feedback. Kasid, that was a very good presentation. Seriously, I liked the way you present the information there. I just liked it a lot, and it was one of the good presentation from your side. The first presenter was Sajan. Sajan, actually, you all have to raise your hand, बेटा. आप जितने भी अभी presenter थे, तो अपने hands को आप raise कर दें, ताकि मुझे पता लगे कि आप लोग सुन रहे हैं comments को. Sajan, you started your presentation, and the very first sentence you use that today I am discuss about. So you see, beta, the very first sentence in your presentation was not correct. So you see, try to give a good start at least. Come se come, if you are making mistakes in between your presentation, it's alright. It's okay. It's your first presentation. You are students of first semester, so it doesn't matter at all. But at least try to give a good start, excellent start. Okay, beta. And there were so many problems, like in terms of pronunciation. Sajan, you said that Julia Caesar. It's not a Julius Caesar, beta. It's a Julius Caesar. And you were saying that Romans. It's not Romans. It's Romans. Troops, adventurous. These are the words which you were pronouncing very inaccurately. So you see, so you need to work very hard. Sajan, you need to work very hard to improve your presentation. मेरा सी आपकी presentation, so not presentation but pronunciation, वो ऐसे ही बैठे बैठाए या रातों रात में improve नहीं होगी. All you need to do is to practice English speaking. If you will practice, then obviously it would help you a lot to improve your pronunciation. And the second presenter was Nawaz. Nawaz, your presentation was really very good. I liked it a lot, and your starting was outstanding, and your content was good, and more importantly, the information you were giving through your presentation, that was very clear information, and each and everything was quite understandable. So that was a very good presentation. Then Nikash came. Nikash, I don't know whether he had joined or not. Let me see his name. I think he has not joined again because he had a network issue from the very beginning of his presentation. He was facing network issues, so that's why it's okay. I can understand that some of the students are out of station, so it's pretty hard for them to avail the good network. So it's okay. And then Kasid came. Kasid, you gave the presentation on Vikings, and you don't know that Viking is one of my favorite subject, or it is one of my favorite book. Then I watched the series as well. So you gave a very good presentation. I love the presentation which you gave, and the information which you shared, and more importantly you use the code switching, but it doesn't matter at all. आपने code switching use किया, उर्दू भी बीच में बात कर रहे थे. See, it doesn't matter at all. अगर आपका concept clear है, you see, all I am concerned about concept. I'm not concerned about language only. तो आपका जब concept clear है, then you see, वो हमें पता लग जाता है कि yeah, this presentation is a conceptual presentation, and that was an outstanding presentation. I liked it a lot. मैं इसको outstanding इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because it was a conceptual presentation बेटा. जब भी मैं इसको outstanding कर रहा हूँ. Overall content was also excellent, but at some points I do not agree with the point that the Vikings were like पता नहीं क्या आपने लफ्ज यूज किया था, अभी मेरे जहन से निकल गया, कि वो हैवान थे. यू सी, ऑल ऑफ देम नॉट वर सेम. दे वर सो गुड पीपल देयर. वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे लोग भी थे, बट दे वर, व्हेन इट कम्स टू फाइट, वैसे तो वो बहुत अच्छे थे, नेचर का बहुत ख्याल रखते थे, वुमेन्स का ख्याल रखते थे. व्हेन इट कम्स टू फाइट, जब फाइट की बात आती थी तो ऑब्वियसली वो हैवान बन जाते थे. इस पर्सपेक्टिव में आपकी बात 110% बिल्कुल सही है, और उस पर मैं एग्री करता हूँ. But overall in normal life mein, they were not like hayvans, or they were not like cannibals, but they were humans like you, like me, like all of us. By the way, it was an excellent presentation. Good job. You did a good job. Now let's move forward to a next group, which is, I think, lined up, and they had raised their hand before, but they have lowered their hands again. No, I see that we are running out of time, so we have 10 minutes for this session. So after, when this session will be expired, then we all have to prepare for the namaz. And I would ask Sufyan to raise his hand. CR, are you there, Sufyan? Okay, unmute yourself.
जी सर.
Beta, you have to ask from the students that how many groups or how many students are remaining for the presentations. ठीक है, तो
ओके सर.
आप ये उनसे पूछ लें, बिकॉज आपके पेपर्स स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं और मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क विद दाऊद यूनिवर्सिटी एज वेल. सो अब करना क्या है कि आपने पूछना है स्टूडेंट से कि कितने स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं. देन आप मुझे बताएं, नमाज से पहले अगर बता सकते हैं तो बता दें, या इन बिटवीन इस टाइम के दौरान मुझे 4 बजे से पहले पहले आप बता दें, ताकि हम 1-2 सेशन और रखते हैं आज शाम 4 बजे. बट इन दो सेशंस all student, it is not necessary to join for everyone to join those sessions. आप सब अगर ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं अपनी खुशी से तो यू आर अलाउड, बट अगर कोई नहीं करना चाहता तो दैट्स ओके. बट दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू गिव देयर प्रेजेंटेशंस दे मस्ट ज्वाइन, उनको लाजमी ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा, और ताकि मैं उनकी प्रेजेंटेशंस आज ही लेकर और प्रेजेंटेशन से हम फ्री हो जाएं. ओके बेटा सुफियान? I think he has muted himself again. So see बेटा, इस तरह से आप मुझे कंफर्म करके आप मुझे बता दें कि कितने स्टूडेंट्स रिमेनिंग है. ठीक है, तो वो मुझे जब बताएंगे तो हम शाम को 4 बजे उनका सेशन रखेंगे. बट वंस अगेन आप सबके लिए ये नेसेसरी नहीं है कि शाम के सेशंस को ज्वाइन करें. आज के 3 सेशन जो हमने लिए उनमें आप लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया, इट्स ओके एंड आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. बट शाम वाले सेशंस में अगर कोई विलिंगली अगर अपनी मर्जी से खुशी से ज्वाइन करना चाहता है तो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, आप ज्वाइन करें. बट इफ यू डू नॉट हैव एनी टाइम और यू डोंट वांट टू ज्वाइन और यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ वर्क, देन you are allowed to do your own works. But those who will give presentation, they have to join. And बेटा सुफियान ये मैसेज भी कन्वे कर दें उन प्रेजेंटर्स को, ताकि आज शाम 4 बजे जो भी रहते हैं हम बैठकर उनके प्रेजेंटेशंस ले लेते हैं. और सुफियान आप तो उस सेशन में अगर आपको सेंटर पे जाना होगा तो यू मे आल्सो गो टू योर सेंटर एज वेल, बिकॉज मुझे पता है शाम में आप अपने वॉलंटियरली एक सेंटर को भी चला रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वेरी अप्रिशिएटेबल. It's a good work which you are doing, and inshallah sooner or later Allah Almighty will reward you for your efforts. Okay beta, so it was very great time having with all of you. See you later. Allah Hafiz. And get ready for namaz beta. Allah Hafiz.